Hi, it's Brenda here at Mobile World Congress, and we are looking at the ASUS Smartwatch by Haier. This is the men's version, but the company hopes to launch a women's version in the future with a much smaller watch face because, as you can tell, this one is a little large for my wrist. It has a pretty thick case with 2 buttons, one for notifications where you access your call log, contacts, and also dial phone numbers, and then there's the dedicated home button. The reason this case is so big is because there's a projector built into the side of it. So this projects your apps right onto your hand. If I were to dial a phone number, the numbers show up on my hand, which is a pretty cool feature. When it comes to its operating system, Haier does run its own software, which includes built-in apps along with 4G LTE connectivity. So as long as you insert your SIM card, you'll be able to make phone calls and send text messages as well as receive them. There's also fitness apps for tracking your activity, so if you go for a run, you can track the length of the run and distance, which will project onto your hand. With a heart rate sensor built in, you'll also be able to track your heart rate. One of my favorite features is the drawing app that allows you to draw on the touchscreen while displaying it on your hand at the same time. As far as battery, it does include a large 650 mAh battery, but it's still unclear if most of that will be used to power the projector. You'll also have the option to customize the watch faces by holding down on the touchscreen and swiping through. The ASUS smartwatch won't be available in the US anytime soon, but it will be launching in China before expanding to other markets. This is the first look at the Haier ASUS smartwatch from Mobile World Congress.